Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jill. I am going to talk about this temporary mic that I bought because my old mic was already malfunctioning. So this is the EOM USB condenser mic that I got from Lazada. The link of the product will be listed down below. It's just 888 pesos on sale last September 9. And I just got it today. And the audio that you're hearing right now is the audio that I already fixed. Just so you know, okay? This is a fixed audio on OBS. So I'm gonna let you guys hear how it is as is, okay? So brace yourselves. I will change it. I will remove the filters and change it back to the actual audio, okay? There. Now it's back to the actual audio of the microphone. As you can hear, there is a lot of noise, and it really stressed me out. It took me hours to figure out how to remove this. So I will tell you guys how to remove this. So I have an RTX 2060, so I use the RTX voice. However, I know that not everyone has an RTX series GPU, so I will show you guys the filters that I added to make it bearable. Mind you, I discovered that adding too many filters to it will only distort it. If you usually add gain, suppression, noise gate, limiter, compressor, the 5 filters, those are the basic 5 filters that you place in the microphone on OBS. But for this microphone, trust me, you will only need 2, gain and noise suppression. If you add the compressor, limiter, and noise gate, it will make it worse, I swear. I spent hours figuring this out, and that's the conclusion that I ended up with. If you added the others, the compressor, limiter, and noise gate, it will only make it worse. So for now, let's add noise suppression. So on noise suppression, I already added it. I placed it all the way to -60 because if you place it in the other levels, like let's say 30, that's usually the noise suppression level that you want for other mics. Yes, it suppresses the noise, but as you can hear, my voice itself is very faint. So your solution to that is to add gain. So let's add gain. And there it is. There's a lot of noise. A lot of noise. So because of that, I had to place the suppression level lower and lower and lower all the way to 60. All the way to 60. And the gain, I just left it there as is, as 10. It depends on you. In my games, it's very important for the voice is very important to me, so I really want it to be heard. But you can place it all. You can place it to 3, 2. This is 2. This is 4. This is 6. This is 8, and this is 10. I feel like I'm comfortable with level 8 for now, but I'll try to play music and let's see if you can still hear me. So with the music, I'm a bit drowned out, but not too much because I added gain. If you remove gain, I will not be heard at all. I'll be heard, but music will not be heard that much. And in my stream, music is also very important for me. And of course, the music of the game. I don't want to completely mute or almost make the game so low that you can't hear it anymore. So this is the level of music that I actually would prefer. So there, I'll turn off the music. And as you notice that every time I talk, picks up some noise. So the solution that I got for that is to use RTX voice. So this is where RTX voice comes in. Alright, so this is RTX voice. Yeah, with RTX voice, it sounds much clearer with less noise, and RTX voice also has a built-in compressor, so I don't have to add the compressor filter anymore. So this is the fix that I got from this. But if you're not very particular with noise and stuff, I guess this mic is okay to start with, especially that it's only less than $20, less than 1,000. So this is good to start with. However, I will have to tell you this, that audio is very important with videos, with content, with streaming. If you have the money, if you can set aside $100, $200, might as well get a really good mic, like an XLR mic, like the Blue Yeti, Blue Snowball, the Rode, and the Technica. Those are the mics that you really have to go for because it's hard to compromise with audio. There are times that you want to go for budget. However, when it comes to audio, I can say that it's very important. It's a make or break thing. I might as well go for the ones that for the giants that really know what they're doing, which are the brands that I mentioned earlier. But as I said, I can't afford them right now, so I opted to buy a cheap one for now. This is just a temporary fix as I try to save money for an XLR mic. So, do I recommend it? Yeah. Like I said, if you're just starting, but if you have the budget, go for a nice mic. So this is what, by the way, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Although I already showed it in the video. It actually looks premium. It looks really professional, and I feel like it's gonna perform better if it's really close like this. I noticed that my voice is much clearer when it's close like this. However, they sold it with the stand, so it's supposed to be better with a stand a bit farther away from me. Right now, it's about 10 inches away from me, and I noticed that the farther away it is, the more noise it picks up. So that sucks. It would be better if it came with a mic arm, like the BM800. But I do read in the reviews on Lazada that this is better than the BM800. That's why I opted for this one instead. And with the BM800, you have a sound card, you have phantom power. I just wanted something plug and play. So that's why I opted for this one as well. I wanted something easy since this is just a temporary fix. So there, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I apologize for the weird audio for the past few videos. Hopefully this will make it a little bit better, and maybe a few months from now I'll be able to get a nicer, better mic. And yeah, subscribing to my channel will really help that. Subscribing to my channel will really help me achieve, will really help me give back to you guys with better audio, better setup, and stuff. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.